guys, I'm back with another video. I just recently purchased this shoe from Livestock in Canada. So this is the first time I'm going to be seeing this shoe. At first I was thinking about buying the Nike Air Max 720 Desert or by OBJ, but then when I see this I decided to just purchase it instead of the OBJ because I've never had a shoe by Nike collab with Jun Takahashi. Yeah, so let's do the unboxing. Okay, let's open this. So this is the first time I'm going to be seeing this. I actually ship it to the nearest Canada Post in my work so that it won't be laying down outside, which is very cold. I don't know if it will have an effect from the weather. So here's the box. It's a black box. And yeah, it's a nice box. You have the Undercover Takahashi logo there, Nike logo, same thing on this side, nothing on this side. And here is okay, here we go. So that's Air Max 720 Undercover Black University Red. I like the black one because it's not that bright as the others. It's simple, and I like black as well. So I went half size up. My size is 10, but I went half a size because I've searched online, and some people are saying when you're wearing the 720s, it's a little bit unbalanced. So the way to solve that, they were saying, is to have a half size up. So we'll see on the on fit if it really helps. Okay. So let's open this bad boy. Okay. There's the box. And there's paper here, Undercover, Jun Takahashi. I'm excited. Okay, let's open it. There you go, it's a nice box. That's the shoe. Wow. Alright. There's the shoe. Smells good. Okay, let's try. I'm gonna take the camera and have a closer look so that you can see it properly. So there's the shoe. So it has a speckle on this side. Red shoes. We make noise, not clothes. And then the Undercover Jun Takahashi, red shoes again, pull tab, same thing on this side. And then there's the Undercover writing in there, Nike shoes with speckles. Air Max tongue here. I'm sure the tongue. Where's the tongue here? It says Air Max. There you go. Sorry about the videoing. I Okay, so there's the insole. Oh, it's just a red. Undercover, Jun Takahashi. Okay, and the sole. Oops, there's the sole. Air Max. There you go. Okay, let's go to the on-fit video. Okay guys, that's about it of the unboxing and unfit video of this shoe. I'm pretty surprised actually about the comfort of the shoe, and picking a half size up, it really helps. So I recommend going half size up if you have a plan of purchasing this shoe. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Hope you if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and comment what do you think about the shoe, and subscribe if you, and please subscribe to support the channel, and so that we can have more videos like this. Thank you. Okay, bye bye. Have a good one. Okay, bye. Thank you. Have a good one.